live sports, all on your Amazon Fire TV stick, check out these 3 applications that I have on my device. I'll show you how to get them on your device. First thing we need to do is find a program called Downloader in the Amazon App Store. So head to the little search icon, the little magnifying glass there, pull down, type in Downloader, D-O-W-N, should come right up, or you can use Alexa and just speak into it and it'll bring it up. So highlight Downloader and click on it, and it brings up this orange icon here. We can highlight it, click on it, and here it says I own it, you may not, so it'll probably say get it, download it, it'll place it in the queue, downloading it, installing it, and once it's installed, we can head back to the home screen. So head back to the home screen because we need to change one option for Downloader to enable it to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick. Some people call this jailbreaking, which it is not. It's just one application, it's just one setting. So head all the way to the settings icon on the far right. Mine's the basketball player there. And then highlight My Fire TV. Yours may be down in the bottom, mine's up top. And here I have About listed and Developer Options. If you do not have Developer Options listed, don't worry. Highlight About and click on it. And then here have Fire TV Stick highlighted. And use your select button on your remote, the center button, and select it about 7 to 10 times, and it'll say, congratulations, you are now a developer. Mine says no need, I'm already a developer, hence I have Developer Options listed. So we can click back one. Now you should have Developer Options listed. Highlight Developer Options and click into it. Now we can highlight Install Unknown Apps. Click on it, and here it has Downloader listed. And I'm just going to select it once and it turns it on from off. So we have it on now, and this will allow Downloader to install applications that are not available on the Fire TV Stick. Let's head to the home screen, and we can find Downloader now in our apps and games section. So head on down to this 3 squares plus sign, click on it, and it'll bring Downloader. Whatever app you last downloaded will end up at the very bottom of this list. So we can highlight Downloader and see it says press the 3-line button there at the bottom to move and more. You can highlight it and you can move it to wherever you want. You can press move and you can move it to wherever you want in the shortcuts bar or even in the back bar. So I'm just putting it right at the front of my shortcuts bar because this is going to act as an app store for us. So when we go back to the home screen, you push your home button on your remote, and here it's now up in our shortcuts menu here up top. So highlight Downloader and push the select button. Now that Downloader is opened up, it's asking us to allow it to access photos, media, and files on our device. Say yes or allow. And a quick start guide here, say OK. And then here it has enter a URL, search term, or short code description box, and here we can put in a short code. So I'm going to say type in 370178, and this is a direct link to our Led by the Unknown webpage download section for us to find these amazing applications. Alright, once the 5-second redirect is completed, if you just highlight anywhere on the page and push the 3-line button on your remote, we can add this page to our favorites like a bookmark. And then we can push save. So on the far left here under favorites, you can just highlight downloads, boom, and it sends us directly to the page, and we don't have to use the quick link anymore. Now guys, head down. While we're heading down, please stop and check out some of these tutorials and videos on how to use some of these applications. So today, we'll head down and look for sports streaming applications. So we have 2 highlighted right here. So we can click on the first one, live. and it heads to the download page. And again, another tutorial video on how to use the application. And here we can have for a device, Amazon device, or an Android device with their backup files, just in case. So a quick and easy application to download. Down on the bottom right, it will say install. So we're going to click install. And then let's click done, because we need to delete the installation file. So delete, and we're good. Now we can back out one, and then we can try the one that's on Fire. It'll go to the Fire page to download, and again, some demos on how to use the application. We can just come down to the latest install file, click on it. Again, a quick installation. We'll hit install, hit done to delete the installation file, and confirm to delete. Yes. Now back out one, and we had three, right? So the third one is actually listed under live TV. It's another one that's on Fire. It has just more than the first one. We can come down, select the installation file, click install, and then we'll hit done. And of course, delete the installation file. Now guys, if we go back to our home screen, we can find these applications in the apps and games section. So that 3 squares plus sign. So head all the way to the 3 squares plus sign. And the last applications we've downloaded are here on the bottom. So you can just use your 3-line button on our remote. We can move to wherever you would like these applications. So when we open up these applications, they usually take a few moments to get everything uploaded. Some of them have schedules, some of them have no schedules, just channels. And you can adjust how you would like to see them. All right. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Take care. Peace.